and we'll send you the video if you want it. Hopefully it'll be a good one. It'll be a bummer if we don't get it. Okay.
You're gonna feel pressure, okay?
Mm-hmm. Do you see it?
Not yet. I'm looking at it. Can I get somebody to help out in here, please? Anybody?
Aaliyah?
Can you come on in? Yeah, thank you. Do you mind putting on gloves, Aaliyah? Just need to spread this a little bit to see if we're there or not. It might be underneath the muscle. I think so.
What explain like this? We can hold that. But it moved around like
She's coming right now.
easily during my massage.
All I need to do is, I can do that stuff, but if you just hold this, I want the right hand on this side. Like this, just like that. It's right there. Can you see it? No, kind of.
It's alright.
There we go. Can you see that, Kelsey? Mm-hmm.
Is it a lipoma?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
I thought maybe it might be a cyst, but yeah.
When they're mobile like that, they're usually lipoma. Let's see here. This part you might feel. So the deep tissue massage.
I know, it's so good. I'm like, that's so good. I bet it's like it's so much pain, and I have a really high pain tolerance, so this is
Oh,
It's a girl.
oh my gosh.
like. Is it big?
It's beautiful.
Ah!
She's glistening.
Woohoo! Bye, Felicia.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh, I love it. It's my favorite part.
Mm-hmm.
I know I can't make what.
Oh yeah, it's a good one.
I watch stuff with him all that stuff all the time.
Have you ever met her doctor?
Mm-mm.
Or seen her at like an event?
Mm-mm. It's funny that my residents were all excited because they saw her at a conference or something, and they got pictures with her.
Yeah, because she's just in Upland. I mean, it's
Yeah,
Yeah,
she's
she's
great.
not
She's
far
real
away at
close.
all.
Yeah. Are you sewing me up?
Nope.
So.
Looks like it's still connected a little bit.
Yeah, I know. You gotta get it all over it. How's high risk of going back and all that. I'm good. I was just curious.
You're gonna love seeing this.
I just want to know how big it is.
It's pretty big.
Yeah.
It's not as big as you'd think, though. Because
But
underneath
yeah,
the skin,
yeah.
it feels like it's huge.
all these years of thinking that I just had a persistent knot there. That would go away. You know what I mean? Like,
Yeah, this has probably been growing for a while.
Yeah. And just put your finger in there, so you can just feel what it feels like. See, feel that empty dead space? Twirl it all the way around. Twirl it all the way around. Isn't that crazy? Yeah. It's all gone. Okay. Okay, do you want to see it? There it is.
whoa, that's pretty big.
Isn't that fun?
Way bigger than the other ones I had removed from my 20s. I just think it's weird because I get them in places where they end up.